Da geht kein Finger rein. Der ist so gefahren, da geht kein Finger rein.
Вот он начинает здесь. Давай, Карин. Ай-яй-яй-яй-яй. Давай.
The PC-200 excavator weighing 24 to 27 tons is sinking into the ice. It is struggling. The ZIL-131 engine YARMZ 236 was crossing a field with wet ground, so the wheels were sticky with a lot of dirt. Struggling. Its operator tried his best, but it seems to be in vain. It will probably be replaced in the summer. It needs the support of another tractor to be able to smoothly get out of here. After that, the tractor can quickly glide itself through the muddy. In the muddy river, the tractor was struggling to get out of the deep mud area. River and back up to the dry area on the other side. The power of the KRAZ Army truck, rear wheels drive is always something that makes you admire.
Барьер. Ты чё?
Whether it's muddy ground or covered with snow, the KRAZ truck is always easy to pass because it is an all-terrain Conqueror. The Volvo FM340 was loaded with wood on both trailers, causing it to have problems when it encountered a narrow and subsided dirt road. The T130 crawler tractor sank into a puddle of water and couldn't get out of it on its own. They brought a K700 tire bulldozer and carried out rescue work. Fortunately, with the help of a bulldozer K700, the tractor was quickly rescued from the mud.
Не получилось.
The Volvo FM bulldozer is assisting the truck behind to move through the narrow, steep dirt road. Behind can move slowly. Just like that, the convoy was moving up the slope smoothly and the bulldozer was really too powerful. Using a cable and using traction, the truck The perfect combination of two bulldozers makes it easy to move and work efficiently on such thick snow-covered places. A truck overturned in the snow and the Kraz was trying to pull his friend up. At work, bulldozers separate and collect snow in large piles. Snow is everywhere and it fills the bulldozer's crawler. A certain car crashed into the glacier and sank. The ice melts, people are picking it up. The first parts of the car gradually revealed on the water, which were the black wheels. Finally, the whole car is taken out of the water. We see this is a Kirovets K700. Overturned ZIL with an LW300F wheel loader. Rescue work is being carried out for the two cables are used to connect the ZIL and the bulldozer. ZIL truck up. After a lot of momentum, the bulldozer was able to pull the ZIL.